हाय एवरीवन, नमस्कार। मेरा नाम दीपाली है एंड मैं आप अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। मैं कैबिन क्रू और एविएशन से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस बनाती हूँ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट uploading a few vlogs of my international layovers. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. एंड आज की वीडियो होने वाली है इंडिगो एयरलाइंस के वैकेंसी के अगस्त मंथ के वैकेंसी के ऊपर। मैं इस वीडियो में सारी डिटेल्स आपसे शेयर करूँगी कि वेन्यू किधर है एंड कौन से डेट पे हो रहा है इंटरव्यू, किस सिटी में हो रहा है, ताकि आप अपने नियरेस्ट सिटी या फिर अपने खुद की सिटी में इंडिगो एयरलाइंस कैबिन क्रू की इंटरव्यू दे सकते हैं। एंड आई विल शेयर ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आप किस लिंक के थ्रू जा कर के ये सारी डिटेल्स देख सकते हैं, और मैं अपना स्क्रीन शेयर करूँगी आपसे एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सी सारे वेन्यू, टाइमिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम रियली सॉरी इस लाइटिंग के लिए, बिकॉज अभी मैंने 12 घंटे की फ़्लाइट करके आई एंड नाउ आई एम इन मेलबर्न, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल सिटी and I'm going to come up with a beautiful vlog of Melbourne, so stay tuned. And कुछ दिनों में मैं वो vlog डालूँगी. It's actually all about the my trip to 12 Apostle, Great Ocean Road, and all the beautiful spots that we went. So stay tuned and please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So let's get started. And all the very best to all the aspirants. So I will start sharing my screen. इधर मैंने इंडिगो एयरलाइंस के करियर पेज को ओपन किया है. मैं इस पेज को ओपन करने का लिंक अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी. आप उधर से जाकर भी इंटरव्यू डेट्स, वेन्यू देख सकते हैं. See, here it is written cabin attendant grade training, that is for no flying experience candidates, and senior cabin attendant training for candidates with flying experience. So this opportunity is for both experienced crew as well as freshers. सो 1 अगस्त 2 अगस्त की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ तो हो चुकी है, मतलब निकल चुकी है. एंड पीपल हु हैव ऑलरेडी interviewed for these 2 days, it's good, but we will start with 3rd of August. And there is nothing to worry if you have missed Hyderabad and Chandigarh and Jaipur का इंटरव्यू, बिकॉज़ ये सारे वेन्यूज़ पे बार बार होते रहते हैं. सो यू विल गेट द चांस टू इंटरव्यू फॉर ऑल ऑफ दीज. सो 3rd अगस्त का जो इंटरव्यू है वो हो रहा है गुड़गांव में. द टाइमिंग्स आर 8 AM to 11 AM एंड द एड्रेस इज़ टावर ए, पारस ट्विन, टास, गोल्फ कोर्स रोड, सेक्टर 54, गुरुग्राम, हरियाणा. पिन कोड इज़ 122011. एंड नेक्स्ट जो इंटरव्यू हो रहा है उसके बाद वो हो रहे हैं 5th अगस्त को, एंड द टाइमिंग्स आर 11 AM to 2 PM. Location is Dehradun, very beautiful city. And beautiful aspirant, please you can visit Ramdabai Vindham, Chakrata Road, Mahinder Vihar. Here in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, the pin is 248001. And the next interview is happening on 6th of August. The timings are 10:30 AM to 1:30 PM. The location is Bangalore. The address is Hotel Akshaya Aura, 6 Kalidasa Marg, Gandhinagar, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Pin is 56009. The next interview happening is in Delhi. The date is 7th of August, 8 AM onwards to 11 AM. The location is Hotel 27 Saket, J27, Mandir Marg, Block J, Saket, New Delhi, Delhi. The pin code is 110017. Again on 7th of August, one more interview is happening, and that is in Kolkata. The timings are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Hotel Gallery, and it's in Bagmari Road near Ulta Danga, Kolkata, West Bengal. 700054 is the pin code. And the next event is happening on 8th of August. So again on 8th of August, two events are happening, one in Mumbai and one in Pune. So great opportunity, guys. So in Mumbai, the timings are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Hotel Residency 213/1 Suren Road, Gundawali, Andheri East, Mumbai. Again on the same day in Pune, the interviews are going to happen. The timings are 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's in Shivaji Nagar, Pune, Maharashtra. Event is happening in Bagdogra, Siliguri. The timings are 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. 9th August. Another interview date is 10th August. Timings are 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Delhi, Aerocity, World Mark 1, Tower A, Delhi. 110037 is the pin code. The next event is on 12th August, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Location is Lucknow. It's in LDA Colony, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, 226012. And then the next event is on 13th August. The timings are 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. in Hyderabad, the Platinum Business Hotel, street number 4. The landmark is near Tata Motors. On the same day, 13th August, in another location, Indigo Airlines interview is happening for cabin crew aspirants. The timings are 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and the location is Hotel 27 Saket, J27, Mandir Marg, Block J, Saket, New Delhi, Delhi. The pin code 110017. Next day, two events are happening on two locations. That is on 14th August. The timing is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location is Mumbai. Hotel Residency 213/1 Suren Road, Gundawali, Andheri East, Mumbai. Again on 14th of August, the location is Jaipur and the timing is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. It is in Jayanti Market, Pink City, Jaipur, Rajasthan. You can see the complete address on the screen. You can take the screenshot, pause the video and take the screenshot. And the another event, that another interview is happening on 16 August in Guwahati. The time is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The location is Hotel Parag Continental, Pan Bazar, Guwahati, Assam. You can see the complete address on screen. On 16 August, that means the same day, another location, that is Bhopal, and the timing is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hotel Shubh in E, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The next event is going to happen, the next interview is going to happen on 17th August in Delhi again. The same location, Aerocity, World Mark 1, Tower A, Delhi, pin code 110037, and the timing is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. The next interview is going to happen on 19 August in Dehradun, again the same location that we mentioned before, and the timing is 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And the next interview is going to happen on 20 August, location Bengaluru. The timings are 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the same location that we mentioned earlier, that is Hotel Akshaya, Aura 6, Kali Dasa Marg, Gandhinagar, Bengaluru, Karnataka. The pin code is 560009. Again, in Bagdogra, Siliguri, the interviews are going to happen on 20 August, and the timing is 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Siliguri. And on the next day, that is 21 August, again the interviews are in Delhi, so it's a great opportunity for Delhi people. Do grab it. The timings are 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location is District Center, Select City Walk, Saket, New Delhi, Delhi. Pin code 110017. And on 21st August, in Kalimpong, the interviews are going to happen. Correct me if I'm pronouncing this wrong. The timing is 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. in Atisha Road, West Bengal. And on 22nd August, the interviews are going to happen in Pune. Again, the same address, that is Shivaji Nagar, near Akashvani, Narveer Tanaji Wadi, Pune, Maharashtra 411005. Next interview is going to happen again in Mumbai, and the same location, Hotel Residency, Surain Road, Gundawali, Andheri East, Mumbai, and the timing is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So the next interview is also going to happen on 22nd August. The timing is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Dimapur. Address Hotel Saramati Naga, Shopping Arcade, Supermarket Lane, Half Nagar, Jan, Dimapur, Nagaland. And on 23rd August, the location is Chandigarh. Time is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the location is Industrial Area Phase 2, Chandigarh Road, Chandigarh, and the pin code is 160002. Now again in Delhi, on 24th August, the interviews are going to happen at 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. The location is same, Aerocity World Mark 1, Tower A, Delhi. And the another event is on 26 August. The timings are 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Guwahati. Again the same location, Hotel Parag Continental, Motilal Nehru Road, Pan Bazar, Guwahati, Assam. And on 26th August only, in Imphal, also the interviews are happening. The timings are 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. The Castle Hotel, Imphal, Manipur 795005. And on 27th August, again in Imphal, Manipur, the interviews are going to happen. The timings are same, that is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. The location is also same, that is the Castle Hotel. And on 28th of August, the location is again Delhi, and the timing is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. The location is District Center, Select City Walk, Saket, New Delhi, Delhi. And on 29th August, the location in the interview location is Mumbai. The timing is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. The location is Hotel Residency, Surain Road, Gundawali, Andheri East, Mumbai. And again on 29th August, another interview is going to happen in Hyderabad. The timing is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Address is the Platinum Business Hotel, again the same address that was mentioned before, street number 4, and the landmark is near Tata Motors. On 29th August, again another interview is going to happen in Kochi. The timing is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hotel Ginger, Metro Pillar 668, and Mahatma Gandhi Road, Kerala. Now, on 30 August, the interview is going to happen in Lucknow. The timings are 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Hotel Pinnacle Sector, Parag Road near Powerhouse, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. You can see the complete address on the screen. And on 31st August, in Kolkata, the interviews are going to happen. The timings are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Hotel Gallery, Ulta Danga, Kolkata, West Bengal. And on 31st August only, another in another location the interviews are going to happen, that is in Noida. Address is Hotel Belmont Botanical Garden Metro Station, Sector 37, Noida. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. And as I told at the beginning of this video कि मैं vlogs upload करूँगी अपने सारे international LAOS के, and अभी जो upcoming vlog आने वाला है वो मेलबर्न के ग्रेट ओशन और 12 अपोस्टल के ट्रिप के से रिलेटेड आने वाला है. So please subscribe my channel, and I'm very thankful whoever has already subscribed and supporting me throughout my journey. And also आप लोगों को कोई भी डाउट हो, then you can drop your query in the comment section, or you can feel free to connect me through Instagram. I will mention my Instagram ID on the screen, and also I will mention it in the description below. Please feel free to contact me, and stay tuned for more videos. Yeah. Because I'm putting a lot of hard work guys, because अभी मेरी 12 घंटे की flight थी and 16 hours of duty time. I traveled all across and then through all different time zones, and still I am making this video to share a detailed information. I just need your support. Even a single subscription can make a really huge difference, and I'm very thankful to everyone who has watched this video. Thank you so much for your love. See you in the next video.